Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? My name is Miss Farzana Ruby. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. I will take your chemistry online class. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. He has placed him with great superior capabilities, knowledge, and a gas for investigation. Allah has given clear-cut instruction to study the mystery of the universe. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says, it is obligatory for every Muslim to acquire knowledge. Allah likes those who seek knowledge. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Now, we start a chapter, Introduction to Chemistry, and the topic is chemistry and its branches. There are different branches of chemistry. Number one branch is called organic chemistry. Friedrich Wöhler is considered as the father of organic chemistry. He was able to synthesize an organic compound, urea, from inorganic compound in the laboratory. Actually, organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the chemistry of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Hydrocarbon means carbon and hydrogen. When carbon attached with hydrogen to form different organic compounds. Organic chemistry is important because it is the study of life and all of the chemical reactions related to life. There are four main types or classes of organic compounds found in all things: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. In addition, there are other organic compounds that may be found in or produced by some organisms. Another branch of chemistry is inorganic chemistry. Werner has rightly been called the father of modern inorganic chemistry, and his achievements were recognized by a Nobel Prize in 1930. Inorganic chemistry is the study of the production, reactions, and properties of chemical compounds that do not involve a carbon-hydrogen bond. Look at this picture. There are two compounds, sodium chloride and magnesium oxide. Both are inorganic compounds. Sodium have positive charge, chlorine have negative charge. So, inorganic compounds represent positive and negative charges. Inorganic compounds can be classified as acids, bases, salts, and oxides. It is used to study and development catalysts, coating, fuel, materials, and drugs. Important reactions in inorganic chemistry include double displacement reaction and acid-base reaction. In double displacement reaction, silver nitrate combined with sodium chloride, which both are inorganic compounds, and form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Silver react with chlorine to form silver chloride, and sodium react with nitrate to form sodium nitrate. And in acid-base reaction, acid combine with base to form salt and water. Now, Inorganic compounds are also present in our gastric acid, which is in the stomach, HCl, hydrochloric acid, potassium chloride, KCl, and sodium chloride, NaCl. Both are inorganic compounds. Another branch of chemistry is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry work in a variety of different areas, but their common goal is to discover, test, and understand the fundamental physical characteristics of a material, be it solid, liquid, or gas. It is the branch of chemistry that deals with the laws and principles governing the combination of atoms and molecules in chemical reactions. Physical chemists predicts properties and reaction of chemicals, then test and refine those predictions. Now another branch is analytical chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of the methods and techniques involved to determine the kind, quality, and quantity of various components in a given substance. Isaac Mortis Colthorpe is widely regarded as the father of modern analytical chemistry. Now, terms of analytical chemistry, some of the most frequently encountered terms in analytical chemistry are sample, the object of the analytical procedure, for example, a blood sample. And another is the substance that is of interest in the analysis, for example, amount of hemoglobin in blood. It is the apparatus which we use HB test, hemoglobin test. Analytical chemistry has played critical role in the understanding of basic science to a variety of practical applications such as biomedical applications, environmental monitoring, quality control of industrial manufacturing, and so on. Now, application of analytical chemistry is medicine, industry, environment, food and agriculture, quality control. Another branch of chemistry is biochemistry. The name biochemistry was coined in 1903 by a German chemist named Karl Neuber. Biochemistry is any process that can be related to chemical reactions and living things. For example, the human body and muscles will react to the energy molecule ATP to make the muscles contract and produce movement. Here are different biochemicals: glucose, D-glucose, insulin, both are involved in biochemistry. Biology relates with chemistry. It's called biochemistry. It uses the methods of chemistry. Biochemistry has become the foundation for understanding all biological processes. The biochemist seeks to determine how specific molecules such as protein, nucleic acids, lipids, vitamins, and hormones function in such process. It is a laboratory-based science that brings together biology and chemistry. By using chemical knowledge and techniques, biochemistry is very important and advanced in this field of science. Now, another branch of chemistry is industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry is the study of different chemical processes involved in the chemical industries for the manufacturing of synthetic products like glass industries, textile industries, inorganic industries. There are different types of industries: inorganic industries, organic industries, ceramic industries, and petrochemical industries. This is textile industry. This is petrochemical industry. This is inorganic industry. Now, next branch of chemistry is environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry fo- focus on the presence and impact of chemicals in the soil surface, water, and groundwater. It is also included particulate pollutant, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. It's the study of hydrocarbons and oxides of carbon, greenhouse effect and global warming, ozone, air pollution, acidic rain, and water pollution. Paul T. Anastas, the father of green chemistry. Environmental chemistry study how chemicals usually contaminated move through the environment. They also study the effect of these contaminants on ecosystem, animals, and human health. Another type of chemistry is polymeric chemistry. Hermann Francis Mark, Austrian-American chemist who, although not the world's first polymer chemist, was known as the father of polymer science because of his many contributions to polymer science, education, and research. Polymer chemistry is the study of large, complex molecules. They understand how the smaller building blocks, monomers, combine to form polymers. A polymer is a long chain molecule that is formed from small molecules linking together. Poly mean many, and polymers are made from monomers. Single atom is called monomer, and when different atoms are combined, they form polymer. Long chain of molecules is called polymer. Here are the different examples of polymers: PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Tough electrical insulator can be made hard or flexible. Insulation for electric wires, windows, gutter pipes. It is used in your home. And polytetrafluoroethene, PFTE. Slippery chemically, unreactive, non-stick coating for pans, container for laboratory substances. These are the examples of different polymers, include nylon, polyethylene, polyesters, epoxy, different toys which we are used in our home, bottles, utensils, etc. Now, it is your homework. Learn and write branches of chemistry. I hope you all are understand. Jazakallah khair.